Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So last vlog में we were at Gili Tea and उसके बाद as I said that the next day we were supposed to travel to कूता बाली. सो गिलीटी में ही अर्ली मॉर्निंग हमने फेरी बुकिंग किया बिकॉज हमने प्रायर बुकिंग नहीं किया था. सो वी गॉट अ गुड डील डायरेक्टली एट द शॉप विच वॉज लाइक 250 के IDR में वी गॉट द फेरी राइड एज वेल एज द ट्रांसपोर्ट फ्रॉम द पडंगबाई पोर्ट टू कूटा वेर आर होटल वॉज सिचुएटेड. सो फेरी राइड एज यू कैन सी कि बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट था. देयर वाज स्क्रॉचिंग सन एंड वी वर सपोज टू ट्रैवल फ्रॉम गिलीटी टू पडंगबाई पोर्ट एंड 3 आवर्स का जर्नी था. तो इट वॉज नॉजियाटिक बट आफ्टर दैट we went to the La Grande Hotel in Kuta and it was a pretty good hotel. We had done this booking from Agoda and we got a pretty good deal for around 2700 something including the breakfast which was a good deal. And this is how the vicinity of La Grande Hotel was. यहाँ पे reception area and we just checked in and after that we went to our room. I will show you the room tour as well. Room भी pretty much decent था and it was in the main city center. Even the airport was nearby from here, hardly 5-6 kilometers पे था airport, so that was a good thing. And this is how the room was looking. It was spacious, there was a lot of space and बहुत ही अच्छा था. Even the outside area was good over here. So after checking in and we got fresh over here and I had the plan to go to Tanalot temple and फिर रात को Fins Club जाने का plan था. So we got fresh and almost like पहुँचते पहुँचते कूटा पहुँचती it was 3 PM in the afternoon. So we got fresh and everything and 4 PM and we just came out. We were searching for scooty first but बाहर ही इतना अच्छा shopping area था as you can see and I was like getting tempted that should I do shopping over here but मुझे time ही नहीं मिला shopping करने का. So that was the drawback of going to many places and then we have to cut off on few of the things like shopping. Then we got a scooty for 250 के IDR per night के लिए and वैसे भी एक night ही था so we took that and we left for Tanalot. So Tanalot was from our place it was like 20-30 kilometers away था and बीच में Fins Club था in Canggu. So this is the Canggu area as you can see and यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा traffic था. It was too much of traffic and यहाँ पे it's known for its traffic. So we had to stay over here and ऐसे pathway से footwalk से वगैरह जाना पड़ रहा था. But after that Tanalot पहुँचने का हमारा estimated arrival time था 6 PM and 6:30 तक वो close होने ही वाला था and वैसे भी sun set हो रहा था. तो I thought कि we won't get anything good pictures or even we won't be able to see it properly. So we changed our plan and we directly went to the Fins Club. So Fins Club पहुँचते 7:30 हो गया था and this is how the ambience was. Just take a look of it. So some information about Fins Club. अभी यहाँ पे एंट्री के लिए there is no fees required unless कोई big events होते हैं like New Year or some other events या कोई famous DJ आता है यहाँ पे. So apart from that कोई ऐसे मतलब normal days पे तो there is no entry fee. But there are two things. If you want to sit near the beachside area तो वहाँ पे cover charge होता है around 1 lakh के IDR का. So we did not stay there, we did not sit there. We sat inside the hotel. So hotel area में it's free of cost, like you don't have to pay any cover charge but you have to take something, you need to buy something, you need to eat there and that is how you can spend some time over here in the hotel or in this area in Fins Club. So we sat in the hotel area और बहुत सारे hotel के options थे. So we had some food and food भी ज़्यादा कुछ costing नहीं था. It was like reasonable, not even reasonable but the way we have over here in Mumbai side as well, जो भी like 1000 or 2000 के dishes होते, it was same like that. It was pretty much same like Mumbai rates only when we go to a good hotel or good restaurant. So it was like that and there were so many different places because beachside area था. Then there was a VIP area जहाँ पे fireworks वगैरह फायर शो जैसा हो रहा था. दिस वाज द पूल साइड एरिया जस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द बीच. सो यहाँ पे भी बहुत अच्छा था. द ओवरऑल एम्बियंस वाज प्रिटी गुड एंड आई वुड पुट फ्यू क्लिप्स जहाँ पे आई वुड पुट द वॉल्यूम ऑन हाई like normal original volume पे you can see that, but overall the ambience of Fins Club was good. We came here around 7:38 and हम 10 तक यहाँ पे थे. We had our dinner over here and it was pretty good. We just thought कि जो ताना लौट कर था plan for this day, we will complete the next day early morning and then we will go to the southern Bali. So that is how we planned the next day, which was too hectic. But for this day it was complete, I wouldn't say relaxing, because यहाँ पे we traveled for 3 hours from Giliti to Padangbai and then we had to come to our hotel. So hotel तक आते आते भी 1-2 घंटा और ज़्यादा लग गया. So वहाँ पे पहुँचते पहुँचते 3 बज गए थे and then we just left and only Fins Club we covered, which still it was a good deal because this is one of the world's best beach club and we enjoyed over here. So yeah, it was good. So yeah, I will just keep few of the videos at its original volume. So this is how the ambience of Fins Club was and here I'm putting few of the photos. बहुत ही मज़ा आया हमें because we saw so many different things and different activities and different kind of celebrations, the way they were showing us different performances and people over the pool side, at the beach area, everything. The overall experience was good and I would really recommend कि ये वाला club तो बिल्कुल मिस मत करना when you are in Bali. वैसे तो बहुत सारे clubs है in Bali but this is one of the most famous clubs and I would really recommend कि ये मत मिस करना. बाकी जितने भी चाहे उतने आप कवर अप कर लेना but do attend this one as well. So while returning from that club हमें और थोड़ा भूख था and we just went to one of the local markets but वहाँ पे हमें इतना कुछ अच्छा ऑप्शन नहीं मिला, so we just skipped it off and we went to the hotel. And the next day we had a big plan which I would be covering in the next vlog. Until then, do like, share and subscribe and take care. Bye bye.